In the vast silence of space, where time stretches infinitely, there are moments of unimaginable brilliance. Moments when stars, having lived out their lives, meet their fiery end in a burst of cosmic fireworks. These moments are supernovae, and in the fleeting seconds of their violent explosions, entire galaxies shimmer, giving birth to new elements and reshaping the cosmos itself. Supernovae are the universe's most spectacular and violent phenomena. They are cosmic symphonies, symphonies of destruction, rebirth, and the creation of the building blocks of everything around us. Every explosion tells a story. It is the story of life and death at the most elemental level, where stars are born from the ashes of previous ones and, in their dying moments, sow the seeds for future generations of stars and planets. Every star, whether a dim red dwarf or a brilliant blue giant, has a life cycle. The story begins in the heart of a nebula, where gas and dust collide and compress under their own gravity, sparking the birth of a new star. This process of star formation takes millions of years, but from the moment a star ignites, it begins a delicate balancing act. Stars, like our Sun, are constantly undergoing nuclear fusion, turning hydrogen into helium in their cores. This fusion process releases enormous amounts of energy, which pushes outward against the force of gravity, trying to collapse the star. For most stars, this balance lasts for billions of years. But as stars age, their fuel runs out, and the fusion process becomes less stable. It's at this critical juncture that a star begins its final, inevitable journey towards a supernova. As a star nears the end of its life, it becomes increasingly unstable. In the case of the most massive stars, once the core runs out of fuel, gravity begins to dominate. The core collapses under its own weight, creating extreme temperatures and pressures. This collapse is so intense that it triggers a violent reaction, one that sends shockwaves rippling through the star, shedding its outer layers in a brilliant explosion. This cataclysmic event is the supernova, an explosion so powerful it can outshine an entire galaxy for weeks or even months. The force of the explosion is so intense that it hurls matter into space at incredible speeds, often many times faster than the speed of sound. And during this chaotic explosion, the elements heavier than iron, such as gold and uranium, are forged in the intense heat and pressure. The birth of these heavy elements in a supernova is no accident. Without the explosive energy of a supernova, these elements would never exist. Supernovae are, quite literally, the cosmic forges where the elements that make up the world around us are created. There are two main types of supernovae, each with its own distinct cause and characteristics. Type 1 supernovae occur in binary systems, where a white dwarf, a dense remnant of a star, gains material from a companion star. This accumulation of matter causes the white dwarf to exceed a critical mass, triggering a thermonuclear explosion. In this process, the white dwarf is torn apart, and the star's outer layers are expelled in a brilliant, intense flash. The energy released is so vast that it briefly outshines an entire galaxy. These supernovae are key to measuring cosmic distances, as they serve as standard candles, with their brightness providing astronomers with a reliable way to measure the expansion of the universe. Type 2 supernovae, however, are the result of massive stars, those at least 8 times as massive as our Sun. When these stars exhaust their fuel, their cores collapse under the weight of gravity. In a matter of seconds, a supernova occurs, producing a shockwave that blows the outer layers of the star into space. What remains at the heart of the explosion is a compact neutron star, or, in some cases, a black hole. Both types of supernovae leave behind fascinating remnants, objects like pulsars, neutron stars, and even black holes. These remnants are not only mind-boggling in their density and gravity, but they also reveal much about the physics of extreme environments. Supernovae are responsible for the creation of many of the elements found in our own bodies and the planets around us. When a star explodes, temperatures and pressures become so high that nuclear reactions occur, producing elements heavier than iron. Gold, platinum, uranium, all of these elements are born in the heart of a supernova. The elements forged in these fiery explosions are scattered across the cosmos, enriching the interstellar medium. Over time, these materials gather together to form new stars, planets, and ultimately, life itself. In this sense, every atom of gold in your wedding ring, every particle of carbon in your body, was once part of a massive star that exploded long before Earth even existed. We are, in essence, the descendants of the stars, the result of their explosive death and their ultimate contribution to the universe. The cycle of life and death in the cosmos is written in the stars themselves. The remnants of a supernova, vast clouds of gas and dust, serve as a reminder of the violence and energy of stellar death. These remnants, like the Crab Nebula, continue to expand and evolve long after the explosion itself. Within these expanding clouds, remnants of the star's core may form neutron stars, objects with such strong gravitational fields that a single teaspoon of their material would weigh billions of tons. These remnants also act as cosmic laboratories, providing scientists with clues about the nature of extreme matter. Some remnants even contain pulsars, rapidly spinning neutron stars that emit beams of electromagnetic radiation, offering us insights into the most mysterious aspects of physics, like the behavior of matter at the quantum level. As we study these remnants, we are not just observing the past, we are learning to read the history of the universe. Each supernova remnant is a piece of cosmic archaeology, a snapshot of the universe's evolution, preserved in the dust and energy left behind by the death of a star. Supernovae are not isolated events. They are fundamental to the ongoing evolution of galaxies. The shockwaves from supernova explosions can trigger the formation of new stars by compressing gas and dust in their path. These explosions stir the interstellar medium, creating new regions of star formation that will give birth to the next generation of stellar bodies. Supernovae contribute to the ongoing dance of creation and destruction in the universe. As new stars form from the remnants of the old, the process repeats. Stars are born, live, and die, leaving behind the raw materials for the next round of cosmic creation. Thanks to modern telescopes, scientists are discovering supernovae at an unprecedented rate. The search for these explosive events helps us better understand the physics of stars, the dynamics of galaxies, and the expansion of the universe itself. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries came from observing Type Ia supernovae, which helped reveal the mysterious force known as dark energy, accelerating the expansion of the universe. Every new supernova provides us with a piece of the puzzle, bringing us closer to understanding the fundamental forces that govern the universe. In the future, even more powerful telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope and next-generation ground-based observatories, will allow us to see the faintest, most distant supernovae. We may one day observe the very first stars that exploded in the early universe, giving us a window into the dawn of time. Supernovae are more than explosions. They are celestial messengers, reminders that the universe is alive, evolving, and deeply interconnected. As we continue to study these cosmic events, we are not only learning about distant stars, we are learning about ourselves and our place in the grand story of the cosmos. Somewhere in the universe, a star is exploding, its light traveling across space and time, carrying the story of its life to distant worlds. Perhaps, one day, we'll catch that light and hear its tale. Until then, we gaze into the heavens, knowing that in every spark, every shimmer, and every burst, we are witnessing the universe writing its own story, one star at a time.